Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. I am so excited for today's video, you guys, because I am doing an extreme clean with me. Literally, you guys, this took 2 whole days for me to clean all of this because I had so much to do. So I am bringing you guys along with me for a little bit of cleaning motivation and a fun speed clean with me. I am starting off in the kitchen, of course, cleaning off the stove and my countertops. I just find that when I start here first, everything looks a lot more clean and a lot more tidy. And honestly, I feel a lot better knowing that the kitchen is clean. For my cleaner, I am using the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. This is the lemon and verbena scent, and it's just the multi-surface cleaner, and I'm just using a microfiber towel with it. I will have both linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing them yourselves. Moving on over to our island, we had a couple of dishes that needed to be cleaned, so I went ahead and cleaned those and washed out the sink as well so that there was no residue and it was just nice and shining.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
Now that all the dishes are clean, I am just cleaning off everything that's on the island. This literally tends to get so many things just dropped off and cluttered here. So of course, I'm just putting everything back where it belongs and just tidying up.
Skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm outside.
I wanted to give the countertop also a good wipe down as well. So again, I'm using just the multi-surface cleaner and the microfiber towel to just make sure everything is cleaned off.
I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm
I am making sure to go ahead and put away those dishes we cleaned earlier and also washing off the tray underneath our little dish dryer, and then going in and dusting off this cute little lantern lamp holder that we just got from Clay's grandparents recently. I really enjoy it. I think it's a super cute little piece. Next is sweeping the floors. I somehow lost the footage of cleaning or sweeping the rest of the kitchen, but I promise I did it, don't worry. I'm just sweeping this area up here and then moving on to our full-length mirror that we have. I ended up actually moving this into the living room the next day, which you guys may see in a little bit, but I'm just taking some Windex to this and making sure there are no spots on it.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me.
I decided to next go outside and clean our porch off because we are having guests over tomorrow for the football game, so I wanted to make sure this was swept and cleaned so that if anyone wanted to sit outside and enjoy the nice weather, they absolutely could. Next, I'm moving on to my desk area. This was just a simple little cleanup. Again, I'm going in with the multi-surface cleaner, just wiping everything down and clearing off the different surfaces.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me.
Now it's time for our living room, and you guys may notice if you've seen my other cleaning videos, but we did get a new couch. This was very sweetly handed down from Clay's grandparents, and we are loving it so much. It's in such great condition, and honestly, it's like one of my dream couches. So I am so excited to finally have this here in our apartment, and I'm pretty much just straightening up the different pieces since it is a sectional, and then I'm going to be just putting away our blankets and any kind of random items that are laying about in the living room.
That shade of doubt hanging around.
Next is our media stand. We just had a couple of things sitting on top of this, so I went ahead and put them where they belonged, straightened up the little cabinet areas, and then dusted off the different surfaces because this does tend to collect dust pretty easily here.
I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
Now it's time to to sweep off the hardwood floor area in the living room. Again, just like the kitchen. And afterwards, I went over with our Swiffer just on all of our wood floor areas to make sure that all of the flooring was cleaned.
Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating.
Now we moved on to the next day here, as you guys can see by the outfit change. And I'm just starting off by vacuuming our little area rug that we have here. We're not completely sure if we're going to be keeping this rug, but it definitely does the trick for now. So we're just vacuuming it up for later when our guests come over.
And so it goes, tables turn in your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the
This next part is going to be essential with our new couch, and it is just vacuuming off any Charlie hairs there are. Because he is a black dog and this is a light colored couch, you can definitely see when his hair just gets everywhere. So I'm just making sure to vacuum this off so that it is nice and clean as well.
much better. Baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be,
Honestly, isn't this so satisfying looking?
I know that I am so.
And I went ahead and I'm actually just putting one of our throw blankets over the chase area in the end here, just so Charlie can lay on that throughout the day so we don't have to worry about the rest of the couch getting dirty again. Moving on into the bathroom, again, I'm just cleaning off the different surfaces here. Things were just kind of laying about, so I went ahead and put them all back where they belong. I have my own little bucket over here of my things, and then we made another bucket on the other side for Clay and his things now so that they are separated and we have more space. And of course, I'm using my multi-surface cleaner again to wipe off all of the different surfaces and the countertops.
And signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live.
Time for my least favorite part, but of course you have to do it, just cleaning out the toilet. Simple scrub. I just used some toilet cleaner and our little scrubby brush and just made sure everything was clean. I also went ahead and tucked in some fresh towels on our towel rack, as well as a little white washcloth for when our guests come over so they have something to wipe their hands on when they wash their hands.
So let us be crazy before we are cold.
Now it's time to move into the bedroom. We just washed our sheets this weekend, so of course I'm having to stuff all of our pillows back into the pillowcases. Clay so sweetly was the one who was doing laundry and washing these this weekend, and he helped me put our comforter back in the comforter duvet cover. So all of that was already done, thankfully. So I'm just tucking all these pillows in their little cases and getting it ready to make the bed.
Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
Now that all the pillows are stuffed, I can actually make the bed again. And of course, this is just very self-explanatory, but having a clean and made bed definitely makes a difference in a bedroom and how clean it appears to be.
I'm gonna let my hair down. I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound.
Next, I was just picking up this little corner in our bedroom before I went and grabbed the laundry that had just finished up and putting that up on the bed and just folding and put away these things. There really wasn't much here. As you guys may notice, I am doing the Marie Kondo style of folding. And if you guys want to see an entire video on that, I will gladly do so because it honestly just makes everything way more organized. And I'm going to be doing like an entire dresser and eventually closet declutter, kind of going through her style of cleaning. And I think that you guys would really enjoy that video. So I'll probably film that very soon for you guys. Moving on to the bedside table, this just needed a quick wipe down and of course just dusting off everything that was on it. That was very simple to do so. And afterwards I went and grabbed the vacuum and it was time to vacuum our carpet. Charlie plays with his toys in here a lot and literally bits of them just fall off everywhere. So cleaning or vacuuming our bedroom is definitely essential for us weekly or as often as possible. It makes such a big difference. And honestly, the vacuum lines, I mean, those are just so awesome to see.
Crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on.
Alright guys, that is going to bring us to the end of today's Clean With Me video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing this like extreme, literally like 2-day long clean with me. Everything from the kitchen to the living room, bedroom, bathroom, laundry, like we did it all and we got through it. I'm really excited because we are actually having people over today, which is why we are cleaning so much and it just felt really good. So I hope this video motivated you guys to get your clean on. If it did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. P.S. I do have an entire playlist full of Clean With Me's, so if you want to see more videos like this, go and check it out down below. I will have it in my description box right here on the screen and probably at the end of this video for you guys. Without further ado, that's going to bring us to the end. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!